Hi, hello! Gusto niyo ba naturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-disassembly at mag-assemble ng inyong system unit? Bago yan, pare-akan pa share naman ang video na ito. Thank you so much! Step 1. Unscrew and remove side covers of the system unit. Step 2. Remove all connectors.
Step 3. Unscrew and remove power supply unit. Step 4. Remove heatsink fan. Step 5. Remove memory RAM. Step 6. Unscrew and remove the storage drive. Step 7. Remove the CD-ROM. Step 8. Unscrew and remove the motherboard. And the last step, remove the processor. Step 1. Install the central processing unit on the motherboard. Step 2. Install heatsink fan. Step 3. Install the random access memory. Step 4. Place the motherboard into the system case. Step 5. Install the power supply unit. Step 6. Install the hard drive. Step 7. Install the CD-ROM. Step 8. Install front panel connectors. And the last step, install side covers.